Hey guys, Chelsea here. Welcome back to yet again another unboxing. Today we are talking about the brand new Pakt backpack. I posted how I pack as a minimalist traveling photographer, and I use this bag. As you saw, it packs like a suitcase and then it folds to pack like a duffel bag. Well, what if you're not a duffel bag person? What if you're more of a backpack person? Well, Pakt has solved that little problem for you. They have created this incredible backpack that packs like a suitcase, but carries like a very comfortable hiking backpack. So I'm just gonna open up and show you all of the little details that they so thoughtfully put together for us as traveling photographers, as just travelers, really. I mean, you don't have to be a photographer to travel, you know. So like I said, it packs like a suitcase, travels like a backpack, and you can very easily just pile your clothes into one side, like so. Zip it up and slip your iPad or laptop down in there. If you have a smaller laptop, it'll probably fit. I have the bigger 15-inch, so I have to put mine in another compartment. But an iPad and a smaller laptop, no problem. One of the things that I love about Pakt is they are very eco-friendly. Everything is packed in recyclable products. It comes in a paper box that you can recycle, and it is wrapped in recycled paper. There's no bubble wrapping, no plastic, no styrofoam, nothing like that. Also, not only is the packaging recyclable, the bag is made from recycled bottles. How cool is that? Who would have ever thought? Not me, but I'm not really that smart. So, excuse my laundry. Now that you know how to pack your clothes, let's talk about some of the other little hidden compartments. Let's start with the front. Here you have this waterproof bag where you can put your toothpaste, your toothbrush, you know, whatever. This front pocket here, we have, you can put little essential items there, and you can see through the bag. You can put, you can put your CBD gummies here. Place a pen there, and then you can stuff other stuff in there as well. Not only does it open from the top, there's another zipper down here on the bottom, and another pocket where you can strap your keys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but another little mesh type pocket and some other little pin pockets. You could stick money in there if you wanted to, and it's kind of hidden, which is great. The bag has all of these really great straps, but if you're not into straps, you can unstrap them, which is great. I like that. You can also carry it as like a duffel bag if you want, or you can carry it, of course, as a backpack. The nice hip straps, which are really super comfortable. Hidden pockets down here. And if you saw or if you have the Pakt one, you know that it has this awesome TSA pouch. So you can have your cell phone, your keys, your change, whatever in here. You don't even have to take it out. You just pull it out from this pocket here. Boom. There you go, TSA. Got my keys, got my stuff I'm probably not supposed to have. Just kidding. And then you stuff that back in there. And you know, if you keep your valuables in here, again, nobody's even gonna know that that pocket is back there. So, it also includes this very cool suitcase strap that you can slide right over the handle of your suitcase, so you're not carrying a backpack and pushing a suitcase, which is really cool. I've utilized that and I really like it. There's many ways to adjust the straps, one being up here, and then of course down here on each side. They have a really awesome, huge water bottle pocket. If you have extra water bottles or just one big water thing, you just can stuff it down there. There's a mesh pocket inside here that you can put your socks and your underwear. That's what I used it for anyways. I don't know what you're gonna use it for. They also have these little awesome mesh pockets here, which is really cool. You could stick, I don't know, shampoo bottles or more water bottles. I don't know if you're really going on a trip where you need a lot of water bottles. This bag will hold lots of water bottles in their own little compartments, which is cool. Not only can you open the bag from there, you can also open from here. So you have access to your laptop. If you've kept your laptop there, you have great little access from the top, so you don't have to open it all the way up and flop all your clothes out in the airport or whatever. If you're carrying a tripod, if you're a traveling photographer like I am, you can strap your tripod here with these great little straps and tighten it down really tight, and it's not gonna go. You get the picture. If you have packing cubes, if you're into packing cubes like I am, packing cubes are great for this bag. As you know, the packing cubes like suck your clothes down, and then you can just stack them in here, close the bag, zip it up, stuff your laptop in, and you are good to go. Be sure to check out paktbags.com. There, of course, is a link in my description. Thank you, Pakt, for sponsoring this video, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All my bags. All my bags and my coffee. See you guys in the next one.